Thup Kynhei, Kynhun Bajrangdal, Rung Jubor Shapoh Iingmane. Kane kelajah akan retorik umat arhajarkan.
That day when that attack really happened,
Kane kelajah Raipur Chattisgarh House snem arhajarkan Rio. Jylla Chattisgarh kane jylla Kynhun RSS Bajrangdal trei hapdeng tribal Adivasi babat laga niam tynrai. Naduh arhajar khatsau ka jingbanbein ya Khristan hapoh ka synshar ka BJP ka jaman la ka shri. Kijia kha mang la ka shri. Pusat Shynrang Bajrangdal Rung Jubor Shapoh Iingmane Raipur balong jingiaseng. Bom pynjot ya ben shuki, pajut ktah ya kynthei kena bom ya Shynrang Naduh. Kane news report.
around 24 men today entered a church in Raipur's Kashna area during the Sunday prayer service and allegedly thrashed the people present there, including women, and vandalized the church premises.
In Chhattisgarh's capital, Raipur, a church vandalized. Sunday service disrupted. People at the service allege a mob of 15 barged in, shouting Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम बोल रहे थे और हमारा खून गरम है ऐसे बोल रहे थे.
Kita bom ya baro kynthei bat kena.
They broke the furniture and
pynjot ya shuki bat tiar dem. Klem kem yano.
लेकिन उन्होंने हमारे साथ गलत किया सीधा.
Mari arung disang bom kit pynjot ya shuki ki ben baro kitiar ketar. Khristan ki thombor menjuaro. Kynhun bakile ki Bajrangdal bawan thombor. Khristan ki dawa ba sokar BJP gade bantem ya kile ki kam thombor.
उनको उसमें शांति मिलती है, अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए वो चर्च चलता है। आज वहाँ पे अटैक हुआ है, अटैक करके 14-15 लड़के थे, बजरंग दल के नारे लगा रहे थे, जय श्री राम बोल रहे थे, आकर के सीधा तोड़ फोड़ करने लग गए, चर्च को मारे पीटे। थाने में बैठी हुई है, रिपोर्ट लिखवा रही है, एक 2 साल के बच्चे को उठा करके जमीन पे पटक दिया है, ये कैसा धर्म है आपको समझ नहीं आता, हमारी बाइबल को फाड़ दिया।
Segawi ka news report kabakamnya na CCTV Times Now.
A group of visibly angry young men gathered around a small church in Raipur, vandalizing property, raising slogans, creating mayhem. And this is what they left behind. Broken musical instruments, a damaged ceiling fan,
Kakam thambo joti kalau pencang sir ya baro kynthei kena bat shynrang. Ulau aku buat bala lekok.
At around 11 a.m. on Sunday, there was a small prayer meeting going on inside this church, roughly attended by, say, around 35 to 40 people. It was around 11 a.m. when this prayer meeting was going on that around 35 to 40 people. That was lying inside this church. It was in this one-room church yesterday that around 35 to 40 people had come for a prayer meeting. They were sitting inside this small hall when they were attacked by around 35 to 40 vandals, and this is what is of these musical instruments left. In fact, the vandals broke every bit of furniture that was here inside this small one-room church. This is left, remaining part of furniture has been taken by police into their own custody.
Akum kini kijing jatuh bor jingle sak kipulut kile akum dah. Dia jing ada. Kijing tombor boro lalu angkat kijing tit jingerat kipulut. Jilawan perkreba. Kipulut kiraron lang baki. Melayuni hakibut kijing dia kipulut ru kia nyom lang batet banso batle sang ya kini mani jomi. Nilapu rekod ki evidence disebut. Abon kijing dia banakong hi kipulut kikem ya pastor balai na sambut ki bana sinong hi baset patok ki hapoh ka section iwe saniwe. Mamut hide ki bab kipulut performance di lang salah.
In this particular case, the police have registered a case.
Kipulut ki ong han bombale e gini snok kini besakem ban kido gini tynrai ki besakem ki pra bakide na Kynhun RSS BHP Bajrangdal. Be aware, totip, tokendit, tohusia, topek ngor. Beware, totip, tokendit, tohusia, topek ngor. Kumne, warajarah bosau. ula boy kajing ma ka bakra hotmet gumni waraja arhusal ula boy kajing ma ka bakra hotmet pray that BJP shall not rule India in 2024 or else shall we live in the India as free citizens, shall we live in the India as free citizens to practice religion, or in the Bharat, the Hindustan, the Hindu nation, hatung itong haka India, barang gading ayuy dan manit play, barang pala kajong gading net play, ganingin hapsong haka Bharat ka Hindu nation, haka baka culture, kanlong kunga culture Hindu, kaway ka ay, kaway kaniam Hindu,